In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect the printer to the wireless network for the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series. You can see that the wireless LED is blinking. It is not connected to any network. So let's go to the control panel. Let's go to Settings. We'll select Technology Tips. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi network. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, you need to confirm the settings. The connection is successful. And you can see that the wireless LED is now solid. It is connected to a wireless network. So this is how you set up and connect the printer to the wireless network using the control panel for the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series.